how to fix Telegram app not working. So if you want to fix your Telegram app not working, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Telegram. After searching for your Telegram, if you have any updates, you need to go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to go and restart your device. After restarting, it might fix your problem. Or if it still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings and make sure that you don't have any updates. So go with About Phone and tap on your version and make sure that you don't have any software updates. If you have any software updates, you need to go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. Or all of these fixes doesn't fix your problem or solutions doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you need to check is if Telegram is available in your region or not. So like for example, in my region, it's not available. You can just simply go with your Google or your browser and search, is Telegram available in your country? Enter your country's name. And if it says that it's banned or it's not available, then it means that you won't be able to use your Telegram application. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.